Welcome to the Modern Pulse, where we dive deep into the world of automobiles, bringing you detailed reviews, specs, and features of the latest models. Today, we're excited to explore the 2025 Ford Model T, a significant update to the iconic vehicle that revolutionized the automotive industry in the early 20th century. The 2025 Ford Model T combines the charm of its original design with modern engineering advancements. With a sleek, retro-inspired exterior, it features a streamlined body, a modernized grille, and LED headlights that give it a timeless yet contemporary look. Its robust chassis and innovative suspension system ensure a smooth and comfortable ride while maintaining the rugged reliability the Model T was known for. Under the hood, the 2025 Model T offers a range of powerful engine options, including an efficient turbocharged 4-cylinder engine and an electric version that caters to the growing demand for eco-friendly transportation. This combination of power and sustainability makes it an attractive option for a diverse range of drivers. It is equipped with advanced hybrid and electric drivetrains, offering up to 300 miles of electric range and quick charging capabilities, giving you flexibility on longer trips. Inside, the 2025 Model T blends classic elements with modern technology. The cabin features premium materials, a digital dashboard, and a user-friendly infotainment system with voice recognition and compatibility with the latest smartphone apps. Ford has also prioritized comfort, with heated and ventilated seats, ample legroom, and a state-of-the-art sound system. Safety is another key aspect, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a suite of airbags. The 2025 Ford Model T also offers a variety of customizable options, from different color choices to premium interior finishes, allowing drivers to personalize their vehicle according to their tastes. The ride quality is excellent, thanks to the advanced suspension and noise-dampening features, ensuring a quiet and pleasant experience. If you're a car enthusiast or simply curious about the latest innovations in the automotive world, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a video. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews on your favorite cars right here on the Modern Pulse.